Here's how to block incoming calls without turning on airplane mode so that you can still use the internet and your apps. We'll show you a couple of different methods that should work on most devices. So first, go ahead and open your phone settings. Use the search bar in the top and search for Do Not Disturb. Once you find this option, click on it. And here, toggle the switch for Do Not Disturb mode. This mode will silence calls and notifications, but still allow mobile data. Turn it on, and you can add exceptions if you want, but to block all calls, just turn it on. Another way is through your phone app. Go ahead, open your phone application, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then go to Settings. Here, scroll down and select Supplementary Services. Scroll down and select Supplementary Services, and then select Call Bearing option, that is between call forwarding and call waiting. Select Allow, and here you'll get this section of outgoing calls and incoming calls. Toggle the switch for all incoming calls, and you'll be done. This will block all incoming calls on your phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.